Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on transferring files from your Android device to macOS. This will work on both iMacs and MacBooks. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. There is no way of transferring files by default. We need to download the file transfer tool from the official Android website. On a web browser, go to android.com/filetransfer. Click Download Now. Once the file has downloaded, click on it to open it and start installing. Once Android File Transfer has finished transferring, all you have to do is connect your Android. Select File Transfer from the pop-up and your Android storage will automatically open. To transfer files, just locate the ones you want to move and then drag them to your Mac. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.